Diesel Days is where all of our industry sponsors come together, and then we get a bunch of high school kids that might be interested in our program from career and tech centers everywhere involved. And we bring them all here and we take them through our program, our building, what admissions look like, and what the program has done and changed in the past few years.
They also get to meet a lot of the vendors and what they could possibly be looking into in the future and meet and seeing what's out there. A lot of these vendors bring equipment and stuff that they use on a day-to-day basis or work on a day-to-day basis, which allows them to see what they might be working on in the future.
I'm a senior this year, so this is my fourth Diesel Days event. The first couple of years as a student, you're looking mainly for internships, career opportunities. Now that I'm a senior, I have career paths lined up. I get the joys and blessings of walking around, getting to know the vendors and see how they've seen me grow over the past few years.
I would love to go into something like this. That's what I grew up doing, is working on diesels, cars, small engine repairs. It's something I want to get more into, and this gives me more opportunity to learn more about it and eventually get out of high school and go into Union or AIS or any other operators. So with them providing this for us, it gives us more opportunity and to hopefully provide for our future and just be prepared.
You have a lot of support from a lot of people around you. Even the students who don't know what you're doing, you just learn so much from people, and it's such a tight-knit community, it's amazing.